नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णवे क्लेश अपहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. Namaste. So last class we stopped with this paragraph. Gandhari tu samvatsaratrayam garbham dharayamana kuntya jeshtam putram jatam yada shushrava tadaiva अमर्षेण स्व उदरम अश्मना घ्नति मांसपेशीं असूयत. So Gandhari, she was holding, she was pregnant for almost 3 years. She was holding the fetus in her womb for almost 3 years. The moment she came to know that her co-sister Kunti has delivered the first son, she was very upset. So, not being patient, Amarshena with Asuya or jealousy, Swa Udaram Ashmana Gnati Mamsa Peshim Asuyata. So, she hit herself, hit her stomach. Udaram is stomach, Ashmana is rock or stone. With that, and Gnati, she hit it with the piece of stone or a rock. Mamsa Peshim Asuyata. So, as she hit the stomach with a stone, she delivered a mass of flesh. Mamsha Peshim Asuyata. So, with this, we stopped last class, right? Yeah. Now, तत्क्षणम् आगतस्य भगवतः द्वैपायनस्य आज्ञया तां पेशीम् एकोत्तरशतधा विभज्य घृतपूर्णेषु कुण्डेषु पृथक् पृथङ् निधाय शीतेन जलेन प्रतिदिनं च निषिच्य रक्षितवती सा कालेन दुर्योधनप्रमुखान् शतम् आत्मजान् दुश्चला आख्याम् अवरजां कन्यां च avindata. So the meaning of the it's almost in a single line. If you see, it starts from tatkshanam agatasya, then the full stop is cha avindata. So then Gandhari, what she did, she delivered a mass of flesh. So under the guidance, what will she do with the mass of flesh now? So under the guidance of Vyasa, sage Vyasa, she cut the mass of flesh into 101 pieces and placed them separately in vessels filled with ghee and sprinkling in the sense to keep it moist, and sprinkled the vessels with water. At a suitable time, she was blessed with 100 sons and a daughter. This is the meaning of this line. So, tatkshanam agatasya. Tatkshanam is tasmin kshane agatasya. Tatkshanam is when Gandhari hit her stomach with ashmana, with a rock, and delivered a mamsa peshi. Tatkshanam ityartaha. During that time, Agatasya Bhagavataha Dvaipayanasya. Agatasya is one who has come. Bhagavataha, this Agatasya and Bhagavataha goes as an adjective or qualifies Dvaipayanasya. Dvaipayana is none other than Vyasaha. So, Tatshanam Agatasya Bhagavataha Dvaipayanasya. So, Dvaipayana, Vyasa, who came there. Agatasya is who had come. Bhagavataha is Bhagavan, Bhagavataha. Both these words qualify Dvaipayanasya. Agneya, Agnya is order. Here we can take it as a guidance or suggestion. There is nothing to accomplish through an order. It is only a guidance that was given by Vyasa to Gandhari, because Gandhari might have been puzzling what to do with the mass of flesh. So that time when Vyasa had come, immediately he guided her. Dvaipayanasya Agneya, by the order of Dvaipayana, tam peshim, that mass of flesh, ekottara shatadha. Shatada is shataprakaram ityartha. Ekottara shatada is dividing it into 101. Eka uttaram. Uttaram is extra. Urdhvam ityartha. So ekottara shatada is one more than 100. Is said by the word ekottara shatadha. Shatada is an avyayam. Shataprakaram ityartha. Ekadika shatam. So 101. Vibhajya. Vibhajya is having divided. Grita Purneshu Kundeshu Nidhaya. So, having divided the mass of flesh into 101 pieces, Vibhajya is after dividing it. Grita Purneshu Kundeshu. So, Gritena Purnaha, Grita Purnaha, Teshu Grita Purneshu. So, this Grita Purneshu comes as an adjective for Kundeshu. So, Kundaha is a, Kundam means is a vessel, basin. We call basin, no? So, Kundam, Napumsaka Lingam means a basin. Okay. Kundyate, Puryate, Jalam, Anena, iti Kundam ityartha. If we use instead of Kundam, if it is used in the masculine gender, Kundaha, here it is Kundam, Kunde, Kundani, Kundeshu is Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Kundaha, Kunda, Kundaha also Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. But Kundeshu means Kundyate, Dahyate, Kulam, Anena, iti Kundaha. So if it is used in the Pullinga, it means a person who, a thing that destroys the kulam. So that's why probably Lakshmana Suri might have used instead of Patreshu, because this is not a poetry where the meter has to set within the shloka, nothing like that. In prose there are no restriction. Gadya literature there is no restriction, so you can use any word in the place of kundam. You could have used patram also, or kumbham also, but instead this is what I felt. I don't know on what basis. Probably he might have used it casually, but instead of kundeshu, if he had used patreshu also, nothing is going to change the meaning. But probably Lakshmana Suri might have thought this boy, the who's the 100 Kauravas who are in the form of a flesh, is kulanashaya utpattihi tesham. Probably because of that, when I read, I just, it occurred to me. So, Grita Purneshu Kundeshu. Grita Purnam is filled with ghee. Kundeshu is a, Kundam is Napumsaka Lingam, is a vessel. So, the vessel is filled with ghee. Pritak Pritak Nidaya. So, he had, Vyasa asked her to break it into 101 pieces and put every piece in a separate kundam. So each one is for Kulanasham. Except the Duschala, all the 100 were born to destroy the Kulam. Correct? So Gritapurneshu Kundeshu, Pritak separately, Nidhaya is having put, Stapitva ityartaha. Shitena Jalena, and Shitena Jalena is cold with the cold water. Dinam Pratidinam. Every day, Nishitya is sprinkling. After sprinkling, Rakshitavati Sa. So, Sa Tam Peshim Rakshitavati. That is the main sentence. Sa Gandhari Tam Peshim Rakshitavati. How? तक्षणमागतस्य भगवतस्य द्वैपायनस्य आज्ञया तां पेशीं सा रक्षितवती. What did she do to the peshi? एकोत्तरशतधा विभज्य तां रक्षितवती. घृतपूर्णेषु कुण्डेषु पृथक् पृथक् निधाय शीतेन जलेन प्रतिदिनं च निषिच्य सा गान्धारी तां पेशीं रक्षितवती. Correct? Then Kalena is by time. Okay, by time in the sense, or she was doing it for few months or few days, that is not mentioned. Kalena is Uchita Samayena, when the appropriate time had come. See, Yudhishthira is the firstborn. Both Bhima and Duryodhana are almost born at the same time. Probably Duryodhana is slightly older than Bhima by time. So Kalena, in the due course of time, Duryodhana Pramukane Shatam Atmajane Duschala Akyam Avarajam Kanyam Cha Avindata. So Avindata is Viddilabe. So she was blessed with 101 sons and one daughter. Okay, so kalena duryodhana pramukaha. Pramukaha here is pramukaha. There are different meanings for pramukaha. Pramukaha is one who is very popular. Okay, so pramukhyam, pramukaha, all these prasiddha ityartha. Here pramukaha means pratamaha. So duryodhanaha pratamaha yesham tan. For the shatam atmajan, it qualifies atmajan. So atmani jayate iti atmajaha tan atmajan sa gandhari avindata was got or blessed. So duryodhana pramukan. So how the shatam atmajaha asan, starting from who was the first among the 100, it was Duryodhana. So Duryodhanaha pramukaha is equal to prathamaha yesham tan shatam atmajan दुश्चला आख्याम अवरजाम कन्याम. So दुश्चला इति आख्या दुश्चलाख्या. So दुश्चला इति आख्या यस्याः सा ताम, who was named as दुश्चला, कन्याम अवरजाम. So avarasmin kale jayate iti avaraja, who is younger. So see, each she might have dropped 100 sons in a separate kundam, and the daughter also in one kundam. And in Uchita Kalena, first Duryodhana was born, then Dushasana was born, one after the other was getting birth, was born. They were born. So Takshanam Agatasya Bhagavatasya Dvaipayanasya Agneya Tam Peshim Ekottara Shatada Vibhajya. Vibhajya here is V is the Upasarga and it is the Bhaj Dhatu and it is in Lyap, meaning is having divided. Then Gritena Purnaha Teshu, it qualifies Kundeshu. Then here Pratak Nidhaya, here you have this Anunasika Sandhi. Pratak plus Pratak Nidhaya. Pratak plus Nidhaya, Pratang Nidhaya, you have Anunasika Sandhi. Shitena Jalena Pratidinam cha Nishitya. Nishitya again is Ni is the Upasarga, Sinch is the Dhatu, Sinch Ksharane, and it is also in Lyap after sprinkling. Rakshitavati, you have Raksh Dhatu and it is Tavatu Pratyaya, Strilinga. Kalena Duryodhana Pramukane Shatam Atmajane Dushchalakyam Avarajam Kanyam Cha Avindata. Cha Avindata is Savarna Dirga. Avindata is again Vidh is the Dhatu. Lavidhi Labe Pratama Purusha Ekavachan. Okay. So next. So this is what happened. So I'm not, I didn't tell about the Visarga Sandhi and all. I think you people might be knowing by now. So next is Dhritarashtrastu Swabharyayam Asanna Prasavayam Yuyutsum Nama Atmajam Veshyam Utpadaya Masa Evam Dhartarashtraha Ekotarashatam Asan. So Dhritarashtrastu. So what he did do? Swabharyayam asanna prasavayam. So asanna prasavayam swabharyayam. When Gandhari was in the advanced stage of pregnancy, Dhritarashtra had a son by name Yuyutsu through his harlot, that's Veshi. Thus, the sons of Dhritarashtra were 101 in number. So Gandhari, through Gandhari, he had 100. He had one more son through the Veshi. His name was Yutsu. That is the meaning of the sentence. So Dhritarashtrastu asanna prasavayam swabharyayam. When his wife, when her pregnancy was very near, Purna Garbhini Yadasa, Swabharyayam asanna prasavayam sati, when she was about to deliver, that time, Yuyutsum Nama Atmajam. So there is another Atmajaha, again Atmani Jayate iti Atmajaha, Yuyutsum Nama Atmajam, another son by name Yuyutsu, Veshyam Utpadayam Asa. See, he got this son Yuyutsu through a Veshi called, through a Veshi, and he was named as Yuyutsu. Okay, so evam Dhartarashtraha, in this way, Dhartarashtraha is Dhritarashtrasya apatyam pumamsaha Dhartarashtraha. Ekottara shatam asan. They were Ekottara shatam, again is 101, one more than 100 asan was there. So, Svabharyayam is Swasya Bharya Tasyam Svabharyayam. Asannaha Prasannaha Yasyaha Sa Tasyam. Again, it's a Bahuvrihi. It goes as an adjective for Gandhari. So, on the Asannaha Prasavaha, whose pregnancy may happen anytime, who is in the advanced stage of pregnancy. Asannaha Prasavaha Yasyam Sa Tasyam Asanna Prasavayam Swabharyayam Sati, when she was like that, that time, Yutsum Nama Atmajam Veshyayam. Veshyayam is Veshyayam, again Saptami, through her or in her, Utpadayam Asa. Ut Pad is the Dhatu, Ut is the Upasarga there, Litlakara, and it is a niche produced through her. Evam Dhartarashtraha Dhritarashtrasya Apatyam Pumansaha एकोत्तरशतम् आसन् देन् अथ कदाचित् दैवस्य दुर्निवारता it is durnivarataya it's a spelling mistake there typo error so there should not be any akara here okay अथ कदाचित् दैवस्य दुर्निवारतया बलात् माद्रीम् उपगम्य आयुषः अन्तम् उपगतवती पाण्डौ तस्यां च तन्मार्गमेव अनुसृतवत्यां विदितवृत्तान्ता कुन्ती चिरं विलप्य तौ दम्पती विधिना संस्कार्य मुनिजन सहाया बालकैः सह शनैः कतिपयैः दिवसैः स्वपुरमेव प्रपेदे because I can't split it as it is a single sentence. It starts from atha and it ends in prapede. Okay. Atha is then. After the 101 boys were born, kadachit, once, daivasya durnivarataya. So then once, due to the unavoidable role of fate. So nobody can stop the role of fate. See, Suvarna Mrgam, there was not any, we have never heard the existence of a golden deer. But who was duped by the golden deer? Sakshat Rama. And who liked the golden deer? That is Sita. That is Daivaha. That is the Bhagyam, Daurbhagyam. Then once, due to the unavoidable role of fate, Pandu forcibly approached Madri and ended his life. He died. And Madri also took the footsteps of her husband. She also died along with Pandu. Then, knowing the end of Pandu and Madri, Kunti was very upset. So, crying aloud for a long time. And then after she completed the final rites for Pandu and Madri with the help of the sages, and with the help of the sages, she went back to her own city. This is the meaning of the sentence. So, Atha is then, when after these, whatever happened in Astinapuram, Kadachit, once, Daivasya Durnivarataya. So, Durnivaraha cannot be stopped. Durnivarasya bhavaha durnivarata taya. So, Daivasya Durnivarataya. The fate of misfortune can never be prevented. That is Durnivarataya. Balat Madrim Upagamya. Forcibly Madrim Upagamya. He went near Madri. Ayushaha Antam Upagatavati Pandau. This is in Sati Saptami. Pandau Ayushaha Antam Upagatavati Sati. When Pandu attained the end of his life, that means he died. Tasyam cha, tasyam here goes to Madryam. Tasyam cha Madryam Tanmargam. Tanmargam is Tasya Pandoho Margameva. Anushrutavatyam tasyam madryam. Again, it is in Sati Saptami. So here, the fate, the misfortune of the fate cannot be avoided. So due to which this Pandu forcibly went near to Madri. Now the Shapa of Kindama comes there. Kindama had given a curse that whenever you are with your wife, you will die. That was the curse. So Balat is forcibly. Madrim Upagamya, he reached Upagamalyapp. After going near Madri, Ayushaha Antam Upagatavati Pandau. Pandau Upagatavan Gatavati, it is in Saptami. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It qualifies Pandav. Pandav Upagata Ayushaha Antam Upagatavati Sati. So when Pandu attained the end of his life, that is when he passed away, when he died, what did Madri do? तस्यां च माद्र्यां तन्मार्गमेव अनुसृतवत्यां तस्यां माद्र्यां च तन्मार्गम इज तस्य मार्गः तस्य पत्युः मार्गः following the footsteps of her husband मार्गमेव अनुसृतवत्यां तस्यां. When Madri followed the footsteps of her husband, that means she also died along with Pandu Anushritavatyam Sati. What did Kunti do? Vidita Vrittanta. So Vidita Vrittanta is Viditaha Vrittantaha Yayasa. One who came across, one who understood the whole episode, the whole incident, whatever had happened between Pandu and Madri and what was their end. Knowing everything, Chiram Vilapya. So she was very upset. Vilapam Kritva is extremely engrossed in sorrow. So after lamenting for some time, Tau Dampati, the husband and wife, Vidhina Samskarya. So Vidhina is according to the religious rites. Kunti made the samskaram. All the whatever the samskaram need to be the final rites, the funeral rites. Everything she did. So Vidita Vrittanta qualifies Kunti. So Viditaha Vrittantaha Yayasa Vidita Vrittanta Sa Kunti. So when all these things happened, Pandav Upaga Ayushaha Antam Upagatavati Sati, Madriyamapi Tasya Pate Patyuhu Margameva Anusrutavatyam Sati. When these two incidents happened, Tasmin Samaye Kunti Vridita Vrittanta Sa Kunti Chiram Vilapya. She was lamenting for a long time. Tau Dampati. Dampati is Patni. Jayaja Patischa Dampati. Bharyaja Patischa Dampati. Tau Dampati, it is in dual. Dampati. Tau Dampati. Vidhina Samskarya. Vidhina is by the proper whatever samskara that is needed for the last rites. Samskarya. Munijana Sahaya. So with the help of the rishis. So Munijanaha Sahayaha Yasyaha Sa. It is not like Munijananam Sahayaha Tatpurusha compound is not there. It goes as an adjective for Kunti. How was Kunti? She was Vidita Vrittanta Kunti. Munijana Sahaya Kunti. Munijanaha Sahayaha Yasyaha Sa. For whom the rishis were of a great help. Okay. Sa Kunti. Balakaihi Saha, along with her children, that is Panchabandavaha, along with all the 5 children, Shanaihi, Katipayaihi, Divasaihi, Swapurameva Prapede. So, Munijana Sahaya, Vidita Vrittanta, Kunti, Swapurameva Prapede. So, she went to her own Puram. Puram is city. Swasya Puram, Swapurameva Prapede. Prapede is reached. Pra is the upasarga, pad dhatu, and it is in little akara. Pede, pedate, pedire. So, katipayaihi divasaihi. In few days. Shanaihi, slowly. Gradually. It means shanaihi is not slowly, gradually. Balagaihi saha, along with her sons. Shanaihi, gradually. Katipayaihi divasaihi. In few days, Swapurameva, Swasyapuram Prapede, she reached. Okay. So, here, Daivasya Durnivarataya Balat Madrim Upagam, it is in Lyap. Ayushaha Antam, the end of the life. Okay. Ayushaha is a Shakaranta. It is an Apumsakalinga. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ayushaha Antam. Upagatavati Pandav. So Upagam and it is Tavatu Pratyam. Upagatavan Gatavati. Gatavantau Gantavantaha. So Gatavati goes as an adjective for Pandav. Pandav Upagatavati Sati. Tasyam cha. Then here Ayushaha Antam Visargasya Ukaraha. Then it becomes Guna. Then it is Pura Rupam. Here Tan Margam is Tat Margam, Tan Margam, it is Annasika Sandhi. Tan Margam Eva plus Anusrita is Savarna Dirgam. Anusrutavatyam tasyam. It qualifies tasyam, that is madryam. Here, sri is the dhatu. Sarati, sarataha, saranti is the latlakara. Sritavati, again it is in tavatu pratyayam. Anu plus sritavati. So, anusritavati means anusarati is one who follows. So, anusritavatyam tasyam. Again it is tavatu, saptami, ekavachanam, strilingam. Then, vidita vrittanta goes as a qualifies kunti. Prathama vibhakti strilingam. So, viditaha vrittantaha yayasa sa kunti. Chiram, vilapya is V is the upasarga, lap is the dhatu, and lyap pratyam. Vilapya, after lamenting, dampati, vidhina samskarya. Samskarya is sam is the upasarga, kr karya, lyap. So having got the last right done, that is the meaning. Munijana Sahaya again qualifies Kunti. Munijanaha Sayahayaha Yasyaha Sa. Balagaihi Saha Visargasya Sakaraha. Shanaihi Shanaihi, they are Avyayas. Katipayaihi Divasaihi. Katipayaihi qualifies Divasaihi. Swapurameva Prapede. Prapede is reached. Okay. And it is pra upasarga, pad is the dhatu. So now Kunti reached Hastinapuram. Then what happened there? Tatra amanusharupane tane avalokya nagaraha tarkayanti sma. Keyam sundari shobhanapi shocyatama drishyate. Koyam asyaha prishtataha murta dharma iva kshamasaraha chakravarti lakshanopetascha lakshyate. Atha koyam aparaha akritya maha gajendragami aho shaurya rashihi ayam. So seeing the Amanusha Rupam is like divinity. They are able to see some divine qualities present in those people. Not only the Pancha Pandavas, even Kunti for that matter. So seeing the divine form of the or the divine features of Pandavas, the citizens, Nagare Bhavaha Nagaraha. So the citizens started speculating. Tarkayanti is like they were discussing, okay, who is this lady? Though she looks like a virtuous woman, she looks very pitiable. Shobhanapi Shocyatava. Then who is the person behind her? Koyam asyaha prishtataha. How is he? Who looks like the embodiment of dharma? Because dharmasya putraha kalu saha. So embodiment of virtues. When the whole dharma takes the form of a person, that is Yudhishthira. So he was looking like a embodiment of virtues. Then filled with, what was he filled with? Forbearance or patience. So Kshama Saraha, Kshamayaha Saraha. So he was filled with forbearance. And Chakravarti Lakshana Upetaha. Upetaha is with, who has all the features of an emperor. Chakravarti is emperor. Lakshyate, Drishyate. Then Atha Koyam Aparaha, who is the other person? Akritya Maha Gajendra Gami. The first was Yudhishthira, the second is Bhimaha. So who is the other person? Who has the appearance and gait of a tusker? So Koyam Aparaha, Akriti is appearance, Akaraha ityartaha. Maha Gajendra Gami. So Gajanam Indraha is Gajendraha. So he has a gait. Gami is, he has a gait of a tusker, as a tusker elephant. Aho Shaurya Rashihi ayam. Rashihi is heap. Bhasma Rashihi kritavan. Pashupatihi. Manmatasya. So he turned Manmata into heap of ashes. Here we can't say heap of valor. We should say what a valorous person he is. So Aho Shaurya Rashihi. Shauryam is Shurasya Bhavaha. Shauryam, valorous, being valor. Rashihi is the heap. Literal meaning is heap. So this is the meaning of the paragraph. So tatra amanusha rupane tane avalokya nagaraha tarkayanti. So that is the main sentence. Nagaraha, nagare bhavaha, nagaraha tarkayanti. They speculate. They discuss among themselves. So nagaraha tarkayanti. Sma is for past tense. Tarkayanti sma. So what? Tane avalokya. Seeing them. Seeing whom? Amanusha rupane tane. Amanusha rupaha is one who. Na manushasya rupaha, amanusha rupaha. Tane amanusha rupane. One people who doesn't have the lakshana that a human should have. They have something different. I mean, you can't say they are not indifferent. They are different from normal human beings. There are some lakshanani teshu santi. So amanusha rupane tane avalokya. Seeing the divine forms of them, tatra is there. When they entered the tasmin stale ityartha. Tatra or tasmin samaye, while Kunti and the Panchabandavas were entering Astinapura, tasmin samaye, amanusha rupane tane avalokya. Seeing the divine qualities, divine akaram, आकार बालकान् विलोक्य दृष्ट्वा अवलोक्य दृष्ट्वा नागराः तर्कयन्ति. So they all speculated. What did they ask? Kayam Sundari. Shobanapi Shocyatama Drishyate. Who is this Sundari? Sundari is a beautiful lady. Looking at Kunti. Shobanapi Shocyatama Drishyate. Shobana is one who has all Shubha. Shubham we say, no? Shobana is one who is virtuous. She's called as Shobhana. Shobhanapi, in spite of being very virtuous woman, Shocyatama Drishyate. She doesn't look happy. She looks very शोके निमग्ना इव दृश्यते सा. शोच्यतमा is that दृश्यते. All this शोच्यतमा and all is extremely what to say, pitiable condition. शोच्यतमा सा दृश्यते. Then कोयम अस्याः पृष्ठतः मूर्तः धर्मः. धर्मः मूर्तः इव. So कोयम, who is he? अस्याः सुन्दर्याः कुन्त्याः पृष्ठतः is behind. It's an avyayam. पश्चात् इत्यर्थः. तस्याः पश्चात् अयं कः? Who is he? How is he looking? मूर्त धर्म इव. मूर्तः means मूर्तिमान इत्यर्थः. So incarnate or embodied. So dharma, मूर्तः धर्मः इव, as if the dharma or the virtues have taken a form and walking. Okay, then Kshama Saraha. So he is the Kshamayaha Saraha. You can see the essence of Kshama. Kshama is patience, forbearance in him. Then Chakravarti Lakshana Upetaha. Chakravartinaha Lakshanam. Chakravarti Lakshanam. Chakravarti Lakshanena Upetaha. Upetaha is Sahitaha ityartaha. Okay, who is with the Lakshanam. Lakshanam is the qualities again of an emperor. Lakshyate is drishyate. Atha koyam aparaha akritya maha gajendragami. So in this, you have tarkayanti is tark is the dhatu. It is in latlakara, pratama purusha bahuvachanam, sma. Avalokya is ava and it is lok is the dhatu. Avalokya, lyap again. Then here you have this amanusha rupane plus tane, rupan stane. You have that sattva sandhi there. This is kaiyam is gunasandhi. Sundari shobhana api savarna dirgham. Drishyate is drish is the dhatu. Pashyati drishyate is in drish dhatu karmani. Lat pratama purusha ekavachanam. Ko ayam is visarga sandhi. Asyaha prishtato visarga. Lakshyate is laksh is the dhatu karmani. Okay, so kshama saraha, kshamayaha saraha, saraha plus chakravarti, then visarga changes to sakara, then shutva sandhi comes there. Kshama saras chakravarti, lakshana plus upetaha, chakravartinaha lakshanam, chakravarti lakshanam, chakravarti lakshanena upetaha, chakravarti lakshana upetaha. Upetaha is sahitaha ityartaha. Upa is the upasarga there. Dhatu is in gato. Yeti, itaha, yanti, no? So here upa, upetaha, cha, upetaha plus cha. Then visarga change into sakara, then shutvam there. Lakshyate again is laksh is the dhatu, karmani. Lattu pratama purusha ekavachanam. Then koyam aparaha, ayam aparaha kaha. Akritya Akriti is akaraha, form. Akritya, by his form, by his physique. Maha Gajendragami. He looks like he moves like he has a gait of a elephant. So Gajendraha is Gajanam Indraha Gajendraha, the head of the herd of elephants, and Maha Gajendra Gami is Yaha Gachati Sagami. Mahancha Asau Gajendraha Mahagajendraha. Mahagajendra iva yaha gachati Mahagajendra iva Gami Mahagajendra Gami. Gami is a Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It's like Gamin, it should be Gami, Gamino, Gaminaha. Yaha gachati sa Gami. Okay. Then it goes as an adjective for Bhimaha. Aho Shaurya Rashihi Ayam. Aho is an expression. We say no oh in English. It's like that. Aho Shurasya Bhavaha Shauryam. Being a valorous person. Shaurya Rashihi is Shauryasya Rashihi, Shaurya Rashihi Ayam. Where you can see all the valorous quality present in Bhima. So Atha Koyam Aparaha Akritya Maha Gajendra Gami Aho Shaurya Rashihi Ayam. Again, this is Visarga Sandhi. And here Shaurya Rashihi Ayam, again Visarga changing to Repha. Okay. Then next. Kaschayam Udata Swabhavaha Bhati Noonam Ayam Yuva Bhavan Sakshat Maghavata Apicha Pratiyodha Syat Tatahi Asya Dhairya Lakshmihi Lakshyate Kaucha Etau Ashvinau Iva Rupavantau Kim Yenayoho Nimagna Drishtihi Punar Uddhartum Na Paryate Noonam Ete Devata Prasadat Labdhaha Putraha Panduputraha Iti Nishchayanteena Tarkena Kutuhalitaha Mahata Kolahalena Taneva Anvadhavan. So next he looks at they look at Arjuna. Kascha ayam kaha. Who is this person? Udata swabhavaha. Udataha is very noble. So udataha swabhavaha yasya saha udata swabhavaha Arjunaha. So ayam kaha. Who is this person who shines noble in nature? When he attains the youth stage, he may even contend with Indra, even fight against Indra and win over Indra. And the courage, the wealth of his courage is very noticeable. And seeing the Nakula Sahadeva, who are these two? And they look like they are very lovable, like the dual Ashwini gods. Once we start looking at them, it is not possible to take our eyesight out of them. So indeed, these are the sons of Pandu, born through the blessings of the gods. Thus, concluding their speculations, the citizens with great excitement and happiness followed them. This is the meaning of the paragraph. So, Kaschayam Udata Swabhavaha Bhati. Bhati, Bha to shine. So, Udata Swabhavaha is noble nature. One who has a noble nature, that is Arjunaha. Noonamayam Yuva Bhavan Sakshat Magavata Apicha Pratiyodha Syat Tatahi Asya Tatahi Asya Dhairya Lakshmihi Lakshyate Noonam Ayam. Noonam is indeed Ayam Udata Swabhavaha Arjunaha Yuva Bhavan. When he attains the Yuvavastha. Yuva is a Yuvan is the Shabdam. Yuva, Yuvanau, Yuvanaha. So Yuva Bhavan, when he comes to the youth stage, Sakshat Maghavata Apicha Pratiyodha Syat. Syat is in Vidiling. He may, they are not definitely, nobody can definitely arrive at any conclusion. So he may become a Pratiyodha, a competitor, or he may contend with Magavan. Magavan is Indraha. Sakshat Magavata Apicha Pratiyodha. Pratiyodha is Yodha is a fighter. Pratiyodha is one who fight against the opponent. So he may be an opponent of Sakshat Indraha, Devendraha. Sakshat Magavata Apicha Pratiyodha Syat. See, seeing his Udata Swabhava, seeing just by looking at them, they were able to see even in Tamil we say no, விளையும் பயிர் முளையிலே தெரியும்னு. When somebody is going to become great in future, we can make out when they are very young. Of course, there are many instances. There are many people who are very dull-witted during their formative years and they have achieved big in life. That is different. But in spite, we can make out seeing such people. So this person Yuva Bhavan, when he attains the youth stage, Sakshat is directly Magavata Picha Pratiyodha Syat. He may attack, he may fight against even Indra. Okay. Tatahi Asya Dhairya Lakshmi Lakshyate. How could these people come at such a conclusion? Because they were witnessing her Dhairya is Dhairya Lakshmi. So this Dhairya Lakshmi is, we say no, Santana Lakshmi, Veera Lakshmi, like that. Dhairya is a Lakshmi here is a what to say, wealth. His wealth of courage is noticeable. So Lakshyate is noticeable. He Asya Arjunasya Dhairya Lakshmi, the courage that is present in Arjuna is noticeable. Then Kaucha Etau Ashvinau Iva Rupavantau. Who are these two who have the form or the appearance or the physique of Ashwini Devatas? Because they were born by the blessings of Ashwini Devatas, like, so they are twins. So cha etau is these two, Ashwinau, all these are cha plus etau, chaitau is vriddhi, etau, Ashwinau, all avav sandhi. You have that av, then Ashwina viva. Rupavantau, Rupavantau, it is in dual. Kim yenayoho nimagnya drishtihi punar uddhartumapi na paryate. So yenayoho, to them, to these two, Saptami, it is in Saptami. Enayoho nimagna drishtihi. Nimagna is when we put our eyesight or our concentration on them. Drishtihi. Nimagna goes as an adjective for drishtihi. Drishtihi is strilinga. So nimagna is ni is the upasarga, majj is the dhatu, ikta pratyayam, strilinga. It qualifies drishtihi. Nimagna drishtihi. Once the eyesight has fallen on these two, punaha uddhartum na paryate. We are not able to, uddhartum is take out. We are not able to take it out. Even in Kadambari, it's a big, it is a magnum opus in Sanskrit literature. When the Prince Chandrabhidan enters the kingdom, no, all the ladies look at him. And they tell each other, they tell other ladies who couldn't meet Chandrabhida on that particular day. They say, Drashtavyam Pashyanti, Drashtavyam Apashyanti, Vanchayasi Lochana Yugalam. When somebody has not looked at Chandrabhidan on that particular day, they are literally, their eyes were, they literally, their eyes were cursed. They were not, their eyes were unlucky for not taking the darshanam of Chandrabhida. So in the same way, yenayoho nimagna drishtihi. So in them, Enayoho is on them, on these two Rajakumaras, that is Nakula and Sahadeva. Nimagna drishtihi, the drishti that has been fallen on these two, punaha is again, uddhartum, take it out, take it back. So, uddhartum api na paryate. Na paryate is para parayati. Is not unable to, not capable of taking the eyesight again back from them. Nunam. Ete Devata Prasadat Labdaha Panduputraha. So they all arrived at a conclusion. What? Nunam, indeed. Ete is Ete Rajakumaraha. Deva Prasadat Labdaha. Devata Prasadat. Devatayaha Prasadaha. Devata Prasadaha. Tasmat Devata Prasadat Labdaha. Labdaha again is Ikta Pratyam. Labdaha, Devata Prasadat Labdaha qualifies Panduputraha. Panduna Pandoho Putraha, Panduputraha. Iti Nishchayantena, Antena. Nishchayaha Antaha Yasmin Tena. It goes as an adjective for Tarkena. They all arrived at their, initially they were Tarkayanti, no? Tarkayanti Sma. They were speculating. Now their speculation has arrived at a conclusion. What they concluded, Nishchayanta, they decided, they 100% they are very sure. Seeing the divine qualities present in the Panchamandavaha, and everybody know about Pandu's curse, and everyone knows that, everybody might have known that these children were born by the blessings of Devata, Nishchayantena, because of which they are all they all have such a good appearance, good behavior, etc. So Nishchayantena Tarkena, by putting an end to their speculations, Kutuhalitaha. So here Kutuhalitaha goes to the Nagaraha. Kutuhalitaha Anvadavan. So the Kriyapadam goes to the Karta. So Kutuhalitaha te Nagaraha Anvadhavan. Dhavati is running, Adhavan is ran, Anudhavan is Prishtataha Davati Tyartaha. They ran chasing them, they followed them. Okay, so Kutuhalitaha Janaha Nagaraha Taneva, Tan here goes to Pandavane, Panduputrane, Panduputrane Eva Anvadhavan. How Mahata Kolahalena, which with a great Kolahalam. Kolahalam is excitement. Mahan Kolahalaha, Mahata Kolahalena, with a great excitement. Te te Nagaraha, Kutuhalitaha Nagaraha, Tan Panduputrana Eva Anvadhavan. So this is the meaning. So here Bhati is Bha is the Ba to shine, and Latlakara Bhati Bhataha Bhanti. That from that only we got Bha Rupe Brahmani. Okay. Kascha ayam udata swabhavaha. Kascha is again kaha cha visargasya sakaraha, then shakaraha. Shutva sandhi. Udata swabhava visargaha. Visarga sandhi changing to utvam. Then bhavan. Yuva is nakarantam. It is yuva, yuvanau, yuvanaha is a shabdam. Bhavan is in shatru pratyam. Sakshat magavata. So Sakshat Magavata is Anunasika Sandhi, Magavata plus Api. Magavan, Magavata is in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Magava, Magavanau, Magavanaha. That is a Shabdam. Okay. I think it is Nakaranta Pullingam. You have Magava, Magavan, Magavanau, Magavantau, Magavanaha. Both are there. Magava, Magavanau, Magavanaha, or Magavan, Magavantau, Magavantaha. Both forms are there. Magavata is the Tritiya Vibhakti. Cha Prati Yodha is Prati is the Upasargam. Yudh is the Dhatu there. And it is Rikaranta Pullingam. Yodha, Yodharo, Yodharaha is a Shabdam. Prati Yodha is a opponent who fight against. Syat is Vidiling, Asadhatu. Then Tatahi plus Asya is Yanjandi, Hyasya. Dhairya Lakshmihi Lakshyate. Lakshmihi Lakshmyate. The Dhairya Lakshmihi is Prathama Vyakti Ekavachanam. Lakshmihi, Lakshmyo, Lakshmyaha is the Shabdam. Lakshyate is Drishyate. Laksh is the Dhatu. Okay. Lakshmihi and Visarga changing to Repha there. Then is Kaujayetau, Ashwinau Iva Rupavantau. Cha plus Etau, Chetau, Chaitau, Vrdhi. Etau plus Ashwinau, Avavzandi. Ashwinau plus Eva, Avavzandi. Rupavantau is Rupavan, Rupavantau. Then Kim Yenayoho Nimagna Drishtihi. Nimagna is Ni Majjidatu Ikta Pratyam Strilingam. It qualifies Drishtihi. Punaha plus Uddhartum. Then Visargasya Repaha. Uddhartum is Ut is the Dhatu there, and Dri Dharane. Ut is the Upasarga there. Dri Dharane is the Dhatu to take out. Tumanantam. Na Bharyate, again Para Parayati. It is like Karma Samaptau Parayati. Karmani, its meaning is capable. Na Bharyate is not capable, incapable. So Nunam Yete Devata Prasadhat. Devatayaha Prasadaha Devata Prasadaha. Prasada plus labda. So here, prasadat plus labda. Takara has changed to lakara. It is called as Parasavarna Sandhi. It is a type of Parasavarna Sandhi where the Tavarga, when followed by lakara, except Tavarga, except the nakara. You have to leave the na. Prasadat labdaha, prasadal labdaha. The sutram, Panini sutram is torli for this. Okay. Panduputraha is Pandoho putraha, Panduputraha. Iti Nishchayantena qualifies Tarkena. Kutuhalitaha goes to Nagaraha. Mahata Kolahalena, Mahan Kolahalaha, Mahata Kolahalena, with a great enthusiasm. तानेव तान् पाण्डुपुत्रान् एव एव प्लस अनु धावन् अनु प्लस धावन् अन्वधावन् इज यन् तान् एवान्वधावन् is savarnadik. Okay, so they all followed the Panduputraha. Then what happened? Tatraiva antarhiteshu tapasvishu tadagamena मुदितः राजा वैचित्रवीर्यः तान् स्वगृहम् आनीय अनुजस्य विपत्या दुःखितो अपि तल्लाभेन निर्वृत्तः तान् स्वपुत्र निर्विशेषं पोषयामास. So at least Dhritarashtra is good at times. So what did he do? तत्रैव अंतर्हितेषु तपस्विषु तत्रैव तपस्विषु अंतर्हितेषु सत्सु. It is in Sati Saptami. When the Kunti was accompanied to the Nagaram, Muni Jana Sahaya Sa Kunti. Okay, Swanagaram Prapede. That's what we read in the previous slide. So after dropping these 5 in the Hastinapuram, in the city of Hastinapura, the sages did not stay back. They disappeared. After the sages disappeared, the king Dhritarashtra, who is the son of Vichitra Veera, though affected by the grief of his brother's death, he brought the brother's children home and treated them on par with his own children. Okay, this is the meaning of the sentence. Tatraiva antarhiteshu tapasvishu. Tapasvishu tatra is tasmin pradeshe eva. Tapasvishu antarhitaha. Antarhita is disappeared, vanished. So antardha is the dhatu ikta pratyam. It is in Saptami Bahuvachanam. It qualifies tapasvishu. Tapasvishu antarhiteshu satsu. When the sages disappeared, vanished, tat agamena. Tat agamena is tesham agamena. Tesham Panduputranam tata kuntyaha agamena. By the arrival of those 5, Muditaha Raja. Muditaha is, the king was very happy. Mud, modane. Okay, modate is the latter akaram. Muditaha is in ikta pratyam. Raja Muditaha. The king was happy. What is the reason? Tadagamena. Tesham agamena. By the arrival of those 5, Vaichitraviryaha is the name of Dhritarashtra, who is Vichitraviryasya apatyam puman Vaichitraviryaha, who is the son of Vichitravira, that is Dhritarashtraha. Tane Panduputrane Swagriham Aniya, Swasya Griham Swagriham, to his house, Aniya, after bringing Anujasya Vipatya Dukhitopi, Dukhitaha, Raja Dukhitaha. Raja was unhappy. Dukkitopi Raja, in spite of being unhappy, in spite of being very sad. What is the reason for his being sad? Anujasya Vipatti. Vipatti is death. In spite of being unhappy due to the loss of his brother, due to the death of his brother, Tallabena. Tallabam again, same totally comes here. Parasavarnam. Tesham labena, tati labam tallabam. So Tesham labhena, as he was able to get these people through Pandu, Nirvritaha. Nirvritaha is relieved. He was Raja Nirvritaha. He was pretty okay. Though I lost my brother, at least his sons are his sons are alive along with the Kunti. What did he do to them? Tane Swaputra Nirvishesham. Tane Pandavane, Panduputrane, Swaputraha, Swasya Putraha, Swaputraha, Swaputrat Nirvishesham. Vishesham is Vishesho Nama Bhedaha Ityartaha. So Nirgataha Visheshaha Yasmat Nirvisheshaha. Where the difference has gone. So he's similar, it means similar. So he was treating them similarly. He was treating the sons of Pandu on par with his own children. He was not having any bhedavavam. There was no partiality. He was not biased to anyone. Initial years. Later on he changed. Poshaya Masa. Poshaya Masa is push is the dhatu, nich. He brought up. Without making any difference. In par with his children, he brought these children also up. So here, Tatraiva Antarhiteshu, it is Vriddhisanti, Tatra plus Eva, and Eva plus Antarhiteshu is Savarna Dirgham. Tapasvishu Antarhiteshu Satsu, Tadagamena, Jastvasandhi, Tesham Agamena, Raja Muditaha. So here, the Raja has so many adjectives. Muditaha Raja. Raja Vaichitraviryaha Muditaha. Dukkitaha Raja, Nirvritaha Raja. So all these qualify Raja. So Muditaha is one who is happy. Mud is the dhatu, Ikta Pratyam. Mudito Raja, Muditaha Raja, Visarga changing to Utvam. Then Vaichitra Viryaha is Vichitra Viryasya Apatyam Puman, that is Dhritarashtraha. Vaichitra Viryaha, again Visarga changing to Sakara. Tane, Panduputrane, Swagriham is Swasyagriham, Swagriham. Aniya is A is the Upasarga, Ni Nayati is a Dhatu. Lyap, Aniya, after bringing them home, Anujasya Vipatya, Anujaha is younger brother. अनु जायते इति अनुजः अग्रे जायते इति अग्रजः अनुजस्य विपत्या विपत्तिः is death विपत्या is in तृतीया विभक्ति by the death of anujasya of his brother dukkito api in spite of being dukkitaha plus api dukkito api visarga utvam then purva rupam so dukkitaha api in spite of being unhappy tallabena Tesham labena, tat plus labah, tal labah, again it is torli, parasavarnam, nirvritaha is ni is the upasarga, nir is the upasarga, vrunoti is the dhatu, is the dhatu, ikta pratyam. Again, it qualifies Raja, tane swaputra nirvishesham, vishesham is bedaha. Nirvishesham is nirgataha, bedaha, yasmat nirvisheshaha, putrat nirvishesham, putra nirvesham. Nirvishesham. Swasya putrat nirvishesham, swaputra nirvishesham. Moshayamasa is pushes the dhatu, lit lakara, pratama purusha, ekavachanam, it is in niche. Okay. Then, what happened to them? They were given the proper Upanayanam at the right time and they were all sent to the Guru's place. This we will do in the next session.